93 Buick Regal V6. Brake problem, turn signal problems. I think I found out what it is. So, all right, hit the brakes. All right, usually it's just the third brake light, but now we got one on the passenger side and the third brake light's working. All right, let off. All right, hit your right turn signal. That kind of works, but it's sporadic. All right, the left one. As you can see, there's nothing going on there. Okay. All right, take your turn signal off. You got it off? All right, now pull that lever and hit your brake pedal again. All right, now you can see there's full brakes. All right, keep the lever pulled and hit your, or turn on your right turn signal and pull the lever. All right, that's blinking right. Now do your left one. Pull that lever. Pull it some more. There you go. All right. All right, so pretty much, don't ask me why, but this main switch, the turn signal switch, the multi-switch here, is bad. That is what is causing no brakes, lights I should say, and turn signal. If I can get... As you can see, there's nothing there until you pull it. Hope it helps somebody.